What's up, guys? I'm on the way to pick up my friend Mauricio right now. We're about to head out to the spot, and lighting's a little bad in here because the sun's really bright, but who cares? And I'll meet you there. Alright, so what's up, guys? I just picked up Mauricio at his house. Now we're over at Tanner's, and then we're headed to the spot. We're over here at the spot. Just pulled up. We're cooking up some beats. We're cooking up some YouTube commentaries. And most of all, we're cooking up some fucking guacamole. That's what I'm talking about. A hint of jalapeno in the chips. Some freshly squeezed lemons. Those are limes. I'm wearing a leather jacket with shorts. Look at this. This is ridiculous. That's just too awesome. Water down there. It's a good day here. Vape clouds are still huge. I've been making a beat. We're about to walk down that hill I showed you earlier. So I'll see you soon. We're still down here, and up there is where the cabin is. Not the cabin, the bungalow. Oh, hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alright.
Probably do a baseball off that.
Yeah? That's a nice firm tree. I mean, that's honestly not going anywhere. I mean, maybe with a hard enough kick. I bet you I could get this. Take this. Oh man, that didn't work at all. Oh shit, man. I hurt my groin. Hold up, I'm just gonna shake it. Really? Mother Nature said, fuck you. That's a tough job. I didn't even stretch this morning. Oh, yeah. We just raced up the hill. Mauricio won. I gave up at about 3/4 of the way through. Jesus. Save me. Shit. So we're about to head out of the spot. And here's the shit. I was zoomed in on my face that whole time. Here's where we leave. Hell yeah. And we're off.
Darling, if you make a mess in my car and I smack you, just know that I will not say sorry. Yeah, we're getting wild, this shit is legit. The